Hey guys, we are at Orange County Goshen Auto and Motorcycle. We're standing on a park place facing Church Street, Goshen, New York 10924. All right, without further delay, let's get into the traffic. I want to show you the place, Goshen, New York. All right, let's get in. Again, there is no divider when you're pulling out. Let's say we're just gonna make a right turn on a stop sign. This is a regular stop sign, so again you have to stop twice. First time is for pedestrians, second time is for traffic. Okay, it's clear. We're gonna make a right turn. All right, so just going straight. Alright, this is we're just gonna stay on the left lane. We're gonna make a left turn here. Again, we're at Greenwich Avenue and Church Street. Okay. Again, it's very nice, quiet. You don't see not much of traffic. Not for now. Alright, so we're just gonna make a left turn here unless no one is coming. Again, you have to yell to the oncoming traffic. Okay, we're just getting close to the left lane. We're probably gonna make a left turn on the Green Street. Again, when do you know there is a you can make a left turn? There is a divider in a solid yellow line, so you know you're allowed to make a right or left turn. Okay, so you make a left turn here, just gonna go straight. Again, as you can see on the right side, there is a speed limit is 30, so you should be driving below 30. Guys, as soon as you hit 30, they're gonna fail you for sure. So again, make sure you remember to drive less than 30. Again, you're allowed to make a right turn on a red light unless it told you not to do so. Okay, so alright, we're going straight. Again, we're on a Green Street. Here we're passing a Phillips Street. Again, you don't have to stop. There's no stop sign. On a stop sign coming up, we're gonna make a left turn. Again, this is a 2-time stop sign on the South Street. Stop here once again. Look right and left. No pedestrian. We'll stop here again. Look right and left. Clear traffic. We're gonna make a left turn. On the right side, there is a cemetery. Okay, and you see the warning sign says stop in ahead. Again, we see the stop sign. Again, this is a regular stop sign. We're gonna stop twice. Stop here, turn left, stop here again. We're gonna make a left turn here again. Okay, so again, the speed limit is 30. You should drive below 30. Here is Kiski Lane. We're gonna pull over to the right on a park place. There's momentum here, so it's just gonna be on the right, and we're gonna pull over to the right here. On the left side, that's where we started. All right guys, thank you for watching.